The headlines blazed across every screen and newspaper. Tensions flare in West Philippine Sea. For many Filipinos, these words are more than just news. They are a daily reality, a constant reminder of the uncertainty that shadows their shores. The world watches as the situation unfolds. But for those who live by the sea, the tension is personal, immediate, and deeply felt. Filipino fishermen face new harassment. Each day, as the sun rises, these men and women set out in their humble boats, braving not just the elements, but the looming threat of foreign vessels. Their faces, etched with worry, tell stories of close encounters and near misses, of livelihoods threatened and traditions at risk of being lost. For years, these waters, lifelines for trade and Filipino livelihoods, have been a stage for quiet conflict. Beneath the surface, currents of tension swirl as international interests collide with the daily struggle of ordinary people. The West Philippine Sea is not just a geopolitical flashpoint, it is a living, breathing ecosystem that sustains millions, a place where history and hope are woven together with every cast net and every returning tide. Small fishing boats are dwarfed by foreign Coast Guard vessels, and every sunrise brings both hope and apprehension for those who depend on the sea. The horizon, once a symbol of opportunity, now holds the silhouette of uncertainty. Yet, despite the odds, the fishermen press on, driven by the need to provide for their families and the unbreakable bond they share with the ocean. Under the watchful eyes of larger, often hostile ships, Filipino fishermen persist, longing for a day when their flag means true security. Each catch is hard-won, each journey a test of courage and resilience. The presence of foreign ships is a constant reminder of the challenges they face, but also of their unwavering determination to stand their ground. Today, January 24, 2026, a new story emerges. The air is thick with anticipation, as the nation holds its breath, waiting for a sign that change is finally on the horizon. For years, promises have been made and hopes have been raised, but today feels different. Today, there is a sense that something truly significant is about to unfold. Cutting through the morning mist is a powerful new silhouette. Not a vessel of aggression, but of assurance. The arrival of this ship is not just a show of force, but a message to every Filipino. You are not alone. The Navy's presence is a beacon of hope, a symbol that the nation is ready to stand up for its people and its future. This ship is a promise kept, a dream realized after years of sacrifice and national will. The crew, standing proud on deck, represent the best of the Filipino spirit, resilient, united, and determined. Their journey to this moment has been long and difficult, marked by training, dedication, and the unwavering support of a nation that believes in their mission. Its arrival signals a shift. The Philippines is now an active guardian of its destiny. The Warship, with the Philippine flag billowing in the wind, leads a fleet of support vessels, a clear statement that the country is ready to protect its waters, its people, and its way of life. This is not just a military maneuver, it is a declaration of sovereignty and self-determination. This is more than a military upgrade. It's a moment of national pride and hope. On the shore, crowds gather to witness history, their faces alight with emotion. Children wave flags, elders wipe away tears, and families stand together, united by a renewed sense of purpose. The sight of the Navy vessel inspires not just confidence, but a deep, abiding hope for a future where peace and prosperity are possible. The hope is that its presence will calm troubled waters, protecting fishermen and resources, and upholding the rule of law. With the Navy standing watch, fishermen can return to their work with a greater sense of security, knowing that their rights and livelihoods are being defended. The sea, once a place of fear, becomes once again a source of life and opportunity. The nation stands ready to defend its people and its seas. United in purpose, the Filipino Navy and Coast Guard form a formidable line of defense, a testament to the strength and resolve of a country determined to chart its own course. As the sun rises on this new dawn, the message is clear. The Philippines will protect what is rightfully hers, and her people will face the future with courage and hope. Against this tense backdrop of regional uncertainty and growing maritime challenges, the Philippine Navy takes a bold step forward. Today, it commissions its most advanced warship to date, the landing dock Roaring Sun. This moment is not just a display of military hardware, but a testament to the nation's determination to safeguard its future and assert its rightful place in the region. Named for the radiant sun emblazoned on the Philippine flag, the roaring sun embodies the spirit of hope, resilience, and unity that defines the Filipino people. Its arrival marks the dawn of a new era, one where sovereignty and strength are not just ideals, but realities forged in steel and purpose. The launch of this warship is a historic milestone. It represents years of meticulous planning, collaboration, and unwavering resolve. Engineers, shipbuilders, and naval officers worked side by side, transforming blueprints and dreams into a formidable vessel. Their dedication and teamwork are now immortalized in the roaring sun's powerful silhouette. As the roaring sun glides into the harbor, a wave of pride and hope sweeps through the gathered crowd. Families, veterans, and young cadets alike cheer and wave flags, their faces alight with optimism for the nation's future. The ship's arrival is more than a spectacle, it's a promise of protection and progress. This ship is more than just a vessel of war, it stands as a symbol of trust and responsibility. It equips the brave sailors of the Philippine Navy to defend and safeguard the archipelago's more than 7,000 islands, ensuring peace and security for generations to come. The roaring sun is living proof of the nation's progress and its unwavering commitment to self-reliance. It demonstrates the Philippines' ability to innovate, adapt, and rise to meet any challenge, no matter how daunting. As the roaring sun joins the fleet, it sends a clear message to the world. The Philippines is ready to defend its territory, uphold its sovereignty, and contribute to peace and stability throughout the region. This is more than a ship. It is a beacon of hope, unity, and national pride. The roaring sun is a game-changer for Philippine defense, especially in the West Philippine Sea. For decades, the Navy relied on aging, outmatched ships, leaving remote areas vulnerable. Now, with its size and endurance, the roaring sun can patrol for weeks, serving as a mobile base for smaller craft. Its advanced radar and communications provide real-time awareness, strengthening the nation's legal and diplomatic standing. The ship's presence alone deters aggression, shifting the Philippines from a reactive to a proactive defense posture. It documents illegal activities, monitors environmental threats, and asserts sovereignty. The roaring sun is a visible, credible deterrent. The Philippines now shapes its own maritime security. Beyond defense, the roaring sun is a lifeline in disaster-prone Philippines. Its vast cargo deck delivers food, water, and equipment to devastated communities, even when ports are destroyed. The ship's onboard hospital provides urgent medical care where local facilities are overwhelmed. Helicopters and landing craft extend its reach to isolated areas. This dual-role flexibility means the roaring sun can pivot from patrol to relief at a moment's notice. It's not just a warship, it's a vessel of hope and survival. The roaring sun's design is all about versatility. Its massive deck and internal space allow for troop transport, disaster relief, and more. A reinforced helicopter deck supports day and night operations, extending the ship's reach for surveillance, rescue, and rapid response. The well deck houses landing craft that deliver aid or troops directly to shore, even without a port. Inside, the ship is a floating city living quarters, a command center, and a modern medical facility. It can house hundreds of personnel, from Marines to relief teams. Advanced sensors and communications make it a true command hub. The roaring sun is a multi-role asset, unmatched in the Philippine Navy. It's ready for any mission, anywhere. The roaring sun's dual mandate is clear guardian of sovereignty, good Samaritan in crisis. When foreign vessels threaten Filipino fishermen, the ship asserts presence, monitoring, escorting, and protecting without escalation. In disaster, it becomes a beacon of hope, delivering aid, doctors, and fresh water to isolated communities. Its ability to switch roles makes it a cost-effective, invaluable asset. Sailors are trained for both defense and relief, building a versatile, skilled force. The ship's dual purpose ensures it's always relevant and ready. Whether facing conflict or calamity, the roaring sun serves the Filipino people. It's a warship with a heart, always on call, always in service. The Philippines' thousands of islands pose challenges for unity and security. The roaring sun bridges these distances, connecting Manila to the nation's farthest reaches. Its long patrols ensure even the most remote islands feel protected. As a mobile base, it projects power and delivers government services where they're needed most. Medical missions, school repairs, and civil services bring the state directly to the people. The ship weaves the archipelago into a stronger, more resilient nation. No island is forgotten. Every Filipino is connected. The roaring sun is the nation's lifeline at sea. The roaring sun elevates the Philippines on the world stage. Its capabilities show allies and partners the country is ready for greater responsibility in regional security. Interoperable with allied navies, it participates in joint exercises and strengthens defense ties. The ship's humanitarian role builds goodwill across Southeast Asia, enhancing the nation's soft power. In international forums, the roaring sun gives weight to the Philippines' calls for rule of law at sea. It's a symbol of commitment to peace, order, and cooperation. The nation's voice is stronger than ever. The roaring sun is more than just a vessel of steel and electronics. It's a testament to the dreams and determination of an entire nation. Every rivet, every circuit, and every inch of its hull tells a story of resilience, innovation, and hope. It stands as a powerful symbol of national renewal, a beacon that shines brightly for all Filipinos, both at home and abroad. Its launch marks a pivotal turning point in our history, a moment when the country chooses to invest in its own strength, security, and future prosperity. This is more than a ship setting sail, it's a nation charting a new course, determined to protect its people and its sovereignty. For fishermen, the roaring sun is a steadfast guardian, patrolling the waters to ensure their safety and livelihood. For families, it is a symbol of hope and a promise of protection, a savior watching over their loved ones from afar. For the brave sailors who serve aboard, it is a world-class platform, equipped with the latest technology, designed for excellence, and built to withstand any challenge. The roaring sun inspires pride and unity across the archipelago, reminding every Filipino of what can be achieved when the nation stands together. It shows the world what's possible when a people are united by a common purpose, working hand in hand to build a better tomorrow. The ship sets a new standard for the armed forces, raising the bar for professionalism, discipline, and dedication. It drives the ongoing modernization of our military, ensuring that our defenders are equipped and prepared for the challenges of the future. The roaring sun will inspire future generations, not only to serve with honor, but also to innovate, to dream bigger, and to contribute to the nation's progress in their own unique ways. It is a catalyst for progress, sparking advancements in technology, industry, and national pride. The journey does not end with its launch. In fact, this is just the beginning. As the roaring sun sails on its first patrol, it carries with it the hopes, dreams, and aspirations of millions of Filipinos. Each wave it cuts through is a step forward for the nation, a declaration that we are ready to face whatever lies ahead. The ship's journey is watched by hopeful eyes, children dreaming of the future, elders remembering the past, and communities united in pride. It's a declaration of resilience, a statement that no challenge is too great when faced together. The roaring sun is a promise of a brighter future, a future where the nation moves forward, confident, capable, and united in purpose. As the sun sets on the horizon, the journey continues, and with every mile the spirit of the Filipino people shines ever brighter.